Hi, hello everyone. Welcome to this tutorial. Till now, if you didn't subscribe, please subscribe. If you like this video, share with your friends. And if you have any queries or any comments, please leave your comments in comment box. So in this tutorial, we are going to see a wooden sofa. It's simple. What I'm going to do, I'm just going to go for standard primitives here in the command panel. Just selecting a box, click and drag a box, okay, and a little bit of height. Just right click and go near to this. Now this is in the wireframe mode. What I'm going to do, select that, go to the modifier, okay, and right click on this, go to editable poly, open this editable poly, select edge, click on this edge, go for ring, and I'm just going to expand this command panel so that I can see two columns. Then I go to connect. Okay, I want the connection, one connection. Let me move this to this corner, then go back to polygon, just click here. After that, I'm going to extrude a little bit. Okay, so maybe this much will be good. Just give OK. Okay, this is how I have. Okay, so go to the left view. Okay, so I go to the front view here. I want this one to go like this. I just push it cross. Okay. After that, what I'm gonna do, just go to the perspective view back and then go to edge, click on this edge, go for ring. I'm just going to give connection. I'm just going to put 20 connections here, that is 20 edges here. Just give OK. Then what I'm gonna do, just go for the polygon here, click on this and this and this and this one. Okay, so click all the polygon here. What you do, just go to extrude, just extrude it as much as you need, so this will be good. So I give 17, round up to 17 here. I give 17 and just click OK. Okay, after that I'm just going to extrude it back. I wanted this one to be something 3.5 will be okay, so I give 3.5. just click OK here. Then what I'm gonna do, select this face and this face and this face, just select this face. Okay, go to bridge here. Okay, so it gets bridged out. I'm going to add 19 segments here. Okay, so I'm going to add 19 segments. First of all, I just added 20 segments. Here I'm just adding 19 segments. See why I added 19 segments. Just go to this face, select this face. Okay, alternate face I'm going to select. Okay, so select all this, selecting all this, selecting alternate faces here. Just click everything. Okay, the alternate faces. Just go to bridge here. So I don't want 19 segments here. I'm just going to make it 1. I need only 1 segment, so just make it 1 and give OK. Now I'm going to come to this top and I'm just going to press Q to hide this gizmo. I go to selection tool. Okay, so now I'm going to select the alternate phases here. Just select all the alternate phases. Just selecting all the alternate phases. I'm just going to select this, sorry, just select this one, this one, this one, this one and this one. Yes, and go for bridge. Okay, that's done. Now let me go to the side view. Here I'm going to go to the front view, so just move it back. Okay, this is what I need. Okay, after that what I'm gonna do, you can just push it a little more exaggerated. Just push it back. If you want, you can rotate it also. It's simple, right? Just keep rotating this. Yes, that's good. Okay, now I'm going to go to perspective view. This is what I have. Then what I'm gonna do, just go to the face here, select this face, and here I'm going to select this face, and I want to push this one a little bit inner. Just go to the front view, select this one, I want this one a little bit closer here so that I can have it near to this. Okay, so go to the perspective view here. Again, go to polygon, select this two polys. If you want, you can select this also if you want. Okay, so if you want to add with a leg, I can just select these and go for this, select this and this. Okay, after that what I'm gonna do, I'm just going to give an extrude here, little bit of extrude. This will make a sense, so I give a 3.5, that'll be good. And I'm going to select this face and this one and this one, and going for this one, this one. Here I'm just avoiding this one. Same like this, I'm just going to deselect this one and going to select this on the top. All the faces I'm selecting here. Okay, then go to extrude here, just give extrude. I'm just going to increase it, something like 14 will be okay. So I'm just giving 14 units, just give OK, and I'm going to deselect the bottom one. Okay, press W on the top, just bringing it down here. Okay, here what I'm gonna do, I'm just going to give an extrude here. I want something like 0.5 or something, so let me try with 0.5. yes, no, I think I can have a little bit of 1 here, so I just let me give 1. yes, that will be good. So I'm just going to have it in a group, so give OK, and simple, just select this two faces, same like this side, this two faces. Okay, go for bridge here, just you bridged it, so go select this two. Okay, and I'm going to give you can just give here the bevel. Okay, so let me bring it out, and I'm just going to increase it like this, so I can have this little bit, just bring it down there. Okay, fine, that's great. So go to the front view here, so I want this to be a little bit down there, and if I want, I can just select alone this and I can just have it like this, so that makes some sense. So go to the perspective view, and if I just press F3, you get this. Okay, so it's simple, where you can just go back to your editable poly, just change the color to something brownish. If you want, you can just go here, you can make it darker brown, and I can just have it like this. Yes, that's great. Giving OK here, so I got this one. Okay, fine. So after this, it's simple. After creating this, if you want some thickness in between this, now I'll tell you how to do that. Just go into this, select this one, go to vertex, go to the left view. Okay, here I'm just using left view. I'm pressing F3 again here to view this, and select and drag, select this half part, and I'm going to move it. You get the thickness here in between this, and also if you want here the thickness, I can just move it, and here also I can just move it. So you see that I have cornered to be thicker, vertices to move and make this much of thickness for your model. Okay, fine. Let me go to the extended permittive here. I'm just going to create a cushion. Okay, I'm just using a chamfer box here. So what I'm gonna do, just go to the top view. Okay, so I'm just going to press F3 here. Okay, and from here I'm going to create, click and drag. I create this, I want to create it till here, because I'm going to have another cushion standing behind this. Okay, so go to the left view. I'm just going to have thickness here. I'm going to press F3 and go for the thickness. How much ever you need, you can just have the thickness, the height of the cushion. Okay, click again, and you can just move your cursor, it'll bring you this. Okay, so click here. Fine, that's it. So let me move it up, I can have it here. Okay, so go to the perspective view. Coming into the perspective view, select this chamfer box, right click on the chamfer box. Okay, come into modifier, right click on the chamfer box, convert that into editable poly. Just go to vertices, select this side vertices, move it, okay, make it bigger in size so that I can have two copies here. Just go to editable poly. Now select the cushion, okay, shift move it so you get a copy here, okay, and again put it instance, so go to another copy, so two copies. Okay, so I got the cushions here. So where you can just go control select all this, and I'm just going to duplicate this, press E, go to the front view where I can see this side. Okay, before that let me move it front. Okay, then go to E. I'm going to press shift and I'm going to select click and rotate so that I can get a copy here. Okay, so where I can just have this copy and just give instance, just press W, drag it, bring it here, place it here. Okay, make sure that it doesn't enter into this. Okay, wood, just rotate that one and make sure you just keep it on the wood. Yes, that's perfect. And you can just move this also a little bit front, this. Okay, fine. Here it makes some sense. What I'm gonna do, I'm just going to apply a texture. So pressing M, I'm just going to apply this texture. In future classes I'll let you know how to apply texture and all. Okay, this is how you do a wooden sofa. It's very simple. Okay, if you want to do any other any more modification for this, you can do it. Okay, let me go to standard parameters. Let me create a floor here. Okay, so alt deselect it. I'm going to select all this. I'm just going to press E and I'm going to use angle snap. I'm just going to take a copy out from here, 90 degree. I'm just going to give OK. Just move it here, move it here, then I get this. Let me make this one a little bit bigger. Select that one, press R, make it bigger. Okay, here I'm going to have a table here, so it's very easy to create table. Okay, so let me have it here. Just go to the box, create a box here, just the thickness. Okay, let me have it here. Just move it here. Okay, so go to the box, right click, go to editable poly, just select the edge, click on this edge, ring, connect. I go for 4 connections here, just pinch it, let it be 0 itself, no problem about it. So just give OK here. Just go to the vertices, select this vertices, the center vertices. I'm just going to pinch it near to this. Okay, the same way I'm going to use here. Just select edge here, click on this, ring it, connect it. I'm just going to have the 4 connection. Just give OK, go to the vertices, select these center vertices, just scale it and bring it here. And what you do, just go for polygon, rotate it, you go under the floor. So I just press F3 to view the view those in wireframe mode. Click here on this 4 polygons, just go to the left view to view it. So go to extrude here, let me have the extrude till it reach the floor. Yes, that's it. So go to the perspective view, so go to F3, so select this one and let me go into this. I'm just going to apply a color to this. So let me go here and I'm going to make something like this. Just give apply to this. Okay, so this is how you do this. Let me go select this, I can have it here, and I'm going to select the floor, just make it white. Okay, So this is how you do teepoi and everything. Okay, so if we texture it with wooden texture, it'll be more beautiful than this. Okay, I hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.